Good day po sa lahat. Again, to po si Teacher Bong para po sa ating Turo. At ang ating subject ay Mathematics 6, Quarter 1, Week 2, Lesson 1. K-12 Competency, Divide Simple Fractions and Mixed Fractions. Code po natin ay M6N SIB-90.2. So before po natin pag-usapan yung division, kinakailangan po natin i-master muna yung sa multiplication. So meron po tayong review dito, yung multiplying fraction to fraction, mixed number to fraction, whole number to fraction, at saka mixed number to mixed number. Unahin po natin yung sa multiplication ng fraction to fraction. Kapag fraction to fraction, madalas po ito po ay nasa proper fractions. Pag sabi kong proper fractions, yung ating numerator ay mas mababa, mas malaki yung ating denominator. Halimbawa, 1/2 times 2/3. So, solve po natin. 1/2 times 2/3. Kapag nagmumultiply po tayo ng fractions, remember, kinakailangan lang natin mag-cross multiply para mas mapababa natin o mag-cancel para mas mapababa natin yung ating minumultiply. Halimbawa, 1 and 3, meron ba silang common factor? Siyempre, kapag 1 na lang yung isa, wala na, yun na yun. Kapag 2 and 2 meron, both are divisible by 2. So, i-cancel natin to. Hindi na to ngayon 2. Di-divide natin sila sa 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, ang sagot, 1. In short, hindi natin gagamitin yung 2. Wala na ngayon yung mga 2. 1 na ngayon yung mga yan. So, we will multiply it now. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Then, 1 times 3 is equals to 3. Ang sagot, 1/3. Now, how about sa pangalawa? Mixed numbers to fractions. 1 and 1/2 times 2/3. So, 1 and 1/2 times 2/3. So, pag sa pag-solve nito, kinakailangan huwag tayong mag-solve ng naka-mixed number. Kinakailangan muna natin i-convert ng improper fractions ang lahat ng mixed number. Nasaan mixed number dito? Ito, 1 and 1/2. So, paano natin i-convert ito? We would just simply multiply, then we add. So, multiply 1 times 2 is equals to 2. Then, yung sagot, i-add sa numerator. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So, ang sagot natin is 3. Then, just copy the denominator, 2. O 3 halves na ngayon. 3 halves times 2/3 na tayo. So, katulad ng tinawag na ginagawa natin kanina, yung cancellation, merong common factor ang 2. Diba? 2 and 2 are both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Then, 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. How about yung 3? Pareho na naman silang 3. Pwede kang mag-cancellation dito. Ng 3 is divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1 then. Then we multiply. So, 1 times 1 is equals to 1. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Remember, pinaka-importanting mag-reduce to lowest term. In this case, 1 over 1, the answer is 1. Kapag 1 na lang ang ating denominator, hindi na natin yung sinusulat. And then, yung ating numerator, magiging na siyang whole number. Kaya ang sagot will be 1. Okay? At saka kapag sinolve mo yan, halimbawa, 1 over 1. Diba tumbang kanan? Tumbang kanan. Then we divide. Ilang 1 mayroon sa 1? 1. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So, di mo na ilalagay yung numerator, wala ka nang susulat na ganyan. Wala na yan. So, buburahin na yan kasi 0 ang isa sa mga bahagi ng fraction. So, matitira na lang is yung whole number, which is 1. Kaya ang sagot, 1. Okay? So, next. Yun namang whole number to fractions. Paano mag-multiply ng whole number sa fractions? Let's say 9 times 2/3. Times natin, no? 9 times 2/3. Ang iba, nagtataka sila, sir, nasan po ba yung denominator ng 9? Ang whole number po, laging ang kanyang denominator is equals to 1. Okay? Katulad nung kanina, 1 over 1, ang denominator is 1, di na sinulat. Pero kung kailangan isulat, lalagyan lang natin ng 1 bilang denominator. Then, times natin sa 2/3. Madali na ngayon. So, pwede na natin muna kung pwede mag-cancel. So, to 1, to 1, hindi pwede. Ito, 9, tsaka 3, pwede. Ang 9 tsaka 3, divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. So, hindi na to 9, hindi na to 3. 3 na yan, tsaka 1 na to. Then, we multiply. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then, 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Now, in this case, tingnan natin. So, dahil denominator niya is 1, ang final answer natin ay 6. Kasi we always have to reduce to lowest term. And kapag ang denominator is 1, hindi na natin sinusulat. So, the answer is 6. Next, yung mixed number to mixed number. 2 and 1/2 times 1 and 4/5. So, 2 and 1/2 times 1 and 4/5. So, para ma-multiply natin to, ang pinakaunang rule, katulad na banggit natin kanina, always convert it into improper fractions muna. So, unahin natin, pa-circle na ganyan, semicircle. 2 times 2 is equals to 4, plus 1 is equals to 5. Then, copy the denominator. The denominator ay 2. Then, i-multiply. 5 times 1 is equals to 5, plus 4 is equals to 9. Then, copy the denominator, 5. Then, we multiply. Before we multiply, tignan muna natin kung pwede natin gawin na lowest term yung mga minumultiply natin para hindi masyadong mahirap. So, we use cancellation. Tignan natin. 2 and 9, hindi pwede. 5 and 5, pwede. Both are divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. So, 1 times 9 is equals to 9. Then, 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Hindi pa ito yung final answer. Why? Dahil hindi pa ito nasa lowest term. Remember, kapag naka-improper fractions, ang ating sinusolve or ang ating answer, ito ay dapat na gawin mo ng mixed number. Kung ito naman ay meron silang common factor, kahit nasa proper fraction pa yan, dapat i-reduce to lowest term. So, 2 tumbang kanan o nasa kanan. Then we divide. Ilang 2 mayroon sa 9? Mayroon tayong 4. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. So ngayon, ang ating sagot ay 4 ang whole number. Then, ang numerator, kung ano yung remainder, 1. And then, yung ating denominator, just copy 2. Ang final answer natin ay 4 and 1/2. Okay? So, yun ang review natin para sa multiplication. Napaka-importante kasi ng multiplication sa ating pagsusolve ng division. Tingnan natin kung bakit. Narito yung mga steps. Sa pagdi-divide ng mga fractions, una, find the reciprocal of the divisor. Second, multiply the numerator with the numerator. Then, denominator with the denominator. Then, reduce the answer to the lowest term. So, paano yan? For example, ang sinusolve natin ay 3/5 divided by 1/2. So, paano ito? Ang gagawin natin ay una, we have to identify yung ating mga parts ng ating equation. So, iba, ang unang number or fraction na ating sinusolve is the dividend. And the one that will make a changes o yung mag-solve para sa ating dividend is the divisor. Okay? At ang sagot natin, ano na magiging sagot will be the quotient. So, review lang tayo dyan, no? Dividend, divisor, quotient. So, alam na natin kung nasan yung dividend. Ito, ha? So, therefore, ang unang procedure ay find the reciprocal of the divisor. Nasaan ba si divisor? Diba? Si divisor ay ito. Pag sinabi natin reciprocal, it means the reverse, kabaligtaran. Kung 1/2 yan, baligtarin mo, 2/1. Kung 3/2 yan, magiging 2/3. So, paano yun? So, kabaligtaran. 3/5 divided by, hindi siya 1/2. Divided by 2/2 na siya. Why? Kasi, yung 1 na numerator magiging denominator. Ang 2 na denominator magiging numerator. Yan ang ibig sabihin natin ng reciprocal, kabaligtaran. Then, next thing is, number 2, multiply the numerator with the numerator. Ang division sign, mapapalitan. hindi na to divided by. Magiging na itong multiplication. No, hindi na division. So, kung magiging multiplication to, natural, ang numerator at numerator, yan ang una natin mo multiply. So, 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then, 5 times 1 is equals to 5. Remember, tulad nga na nabanggit natin, you always have to reduce to lowest term. So, paano ito? To reduce a lowest term sa improper fraction, we multiply it. Ito bangkanan natin. Okay? Ilang 5 mayroon sa 6? 1. 1 times 5 is equals to 5. 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. So, magiging answer natin ay 1 and 1/5. Paalala, yung 1, yun ang ating magiging whole number. At yung ating numerator, yung ating remainder. At ang denominator natin is the same denominator ng ating kinompute. Okay? So, how is that? Ito yan, no? Ito yung denominator. Yun ang numerator. Ito naman yung whole number. Okay. So, to make it very, very light, ganito lang yan. In dividing mga fractions, o kaya mixed numbers, o kaya ng isang whole number, remember, una, no, na if there is no denominator, the answer, okay, no, kapag halimbawa wala siyang denominator, remember na kinakailangan mo lagyan ng 1 sa ilalim. Okay? In answering, you always have to find the reciprocal of the divisor, then multiply. Reduce to lowest term. Yun lang yung tatlong madaling step. Una, reciprocal ng divisor, multiply, then reduce to lowest term. Ito yun, no? First, you have to find the divisor, then find the reciprocal, naging 2, 1, then you multiply, then reduce to lowest term. Okay? Sa final answer, no improper fraction will be the final answer. Tandaan ha, kapag improper fraction, gawin itong mixed number. If there is no denominator, the answer is a whole number. Halimbawa, katulad kanina, 1/1, o di 1 na lang. Okay? So, let's have some additional review or exercises, drills natin. So, mag-multiply tayo ngayon divide tayo ngayon ng 1/2 divided by 2/3. So, 1/2 divided by 2/3. Dahil lang. Okay? So, 1/2 divided by 2/3. So, katulad na nabanggit natin kanina, first, gawing reciprocal, then we multiply, then find the lowest term. O, ganito yung pinakamabilis na paraan yan. Isulat ko muna yung dividend, ilagay ko na agad multiplication, then, baliktarin ko na agad to, 3/2. Dahil pareho na silang fractions, madali na lang gawin yung reciprocal. Pagka mixed number, mamaya may gagawin tayo dyan. Okay? Then, i-multiply. Tingnan muna natin kung pwede tayo mag-cancel. Hindi pwede ito, hindi rin pwede ito. So, 1 times 3 is equals to 3. Then, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. The answer, 3/4. Okay? Next, paano naman yung sa mixed number to fraction? 1 and 1/2 divided by 2/3. 1 and 1/2 divided by 2/3. So, paano to? First, kapag ito ay mixed number, we have to convert muna sa improper fraction. So, 2 times 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 3. Then, copy the denominator, 2. Then, multiply. Yung 2/3, baligta rin. Diba? Reciprocal, 3/2. O, tingnan natin ngayon. Meron ba silang pwedeng i-cancel? Hindi, wala. So, 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Then, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Yun nga lang, this is not the lowest term. So, we have to divide ang bangkanan. Ilang 4 mayroon sa 9? 2. 2 times 4 is equals to 8. 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. So, ang answer is 2 and 1/4. Kasi we just have to get the numerator mula sa remainder, then copy the denominator. Okay? Next, paano naman yung whole number sa fraction? Let's say 2/3 divided by 9. 2/3 divided by 9. Remember, dun sa pinag-usapan natin, whole numbers always have a denominator of 1. So, magiging itong 2/3 times 1/9. Sir, bakit 1/9? Kasi, di ba, 9, ang kanyang denominator is 1. Kung iyan ay iyong reciprocal, magiging siyang 1/9. Yung 1 na denominator magiging numerator at ang 9 na numerator magiging denominator. And then, tignan natin kung meron tayong pwedeng i-cancel. So, in this case, wala naman. So, gawin natin 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Then, 3 times 9 is equals to 27. So, answer is 2/27. Okay? Next. How about yung mixed number to mixed number? 2 and 1/2 divided by 1 and 4/5. So, gawin natin ay, sulat muna natin, 2 and 1/2 divided by 1 and 4/5. Isa natin. 1 and 4/5. So, una, convert muna natin sila ng improper fractions. Convert. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Plus 1 is equals to 5. Then, copy the denominator. Then, change yung division sign ng multiplication. Then, ito muna, convert. 5 times 1 is equals to 5. Plus 4 is equals to 9. And then, copy the denominator. Tignan kung pwede tayo mag-cancel. Meron, ito. Both are divisible by 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. Then, we multiply. 1 times 9 is equals to 9. And 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Since yan ay improper fractions, we have to reduce to lowest term. Paano? So, ang gagawin natin ay yung 9/2, tumbang kanan natin. Ito yung 2, yung 9, follow the fraction bar. Then, we divide. Ilang 2 mayroon sa 9? 4. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. Ang ating remainder na 1 magiging numerator. Then, copy yung ating denominator, 2. Ang sagot niya natin ay 4 and 1/2. Okay? So, ganyan ang pagdi-divide ng mga fractions to fraction, mixed number to fraction, whole number to fraction, at saka mixed number to mixed number. Okay? Ang ating competency ay divide simple fractions and mixed number or mixed fractions. Code M6N SIB-90.2. Again, ito po si Teacher Bong nagsasabing, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.